Brother, you are welcome to Problem Solving Ministry. I'm the junior pastor of this ministry, and here is my senior pastor.
Yes, brother. So how can I help you?
Pastor, I have a problem.
Problem? Don't worry. We are born to solve problem here. We solve any kind of problem. We are ordained men of God. God called us and we answered. And now we are here to solve problem, any kind of problem.
Yes, we solve spiritual problem,
Yes.
physical problem,
Yes.
biological problem,
Yes.
economical problem,
Yes.
environment problem,
Yes.
English problem,
Yes.
chemistry problem, even
yes.
mental problem.
Bam. So, what is your problem, brother?
Pastor, I'm a killer. Pastor, I've been killing people since I was 2 years.
Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego.
Holy Moses.
I've gone to so many places to solve this problem. Pastor, I couldn't find a solution. Pastor, I went to 20 Babalawo to solve this problem. Pastor, as the Babalawo, they are trying to solve the problem. The Babalawo, I kill them.
Blood of Zachariah.
Lepro.
Pastor, I went to 15 spiritualists to solve this problem. Pastor, as we are solving the problem, Pastor, I kill them. Lebru, skente, lebru.
Man's no hurts, never hurts.
The one that annoys me most, the one that affects me most in my heart, Pastor, is that I went to 20 good, powerful men of God. 20 powerful men of God to solve this problem. Men like you, men ordained by God, pastors, to solve this problem. Pastor, as they are solving the problem, Pastor, I kill them. They died. But Pastor, I saw the way the both of you, we are delivering people in the last deliverance service on Sunday. As you are delivering people who are falling left, right, center, back, side, back, anywhere they are falling, Pastor. That's what gave me the urge to come here, Pastor. I believe you guys can solve this problem. Thank you, Jesus, for bringing me to the right place. God.
What? Jesus!
Pastors, see your clothes, let your clothes in the church.
Brother many a day, fuck.
Thanks for watching that wonderful video. Please subscribe to our channel. Like and share this video with your friends, family and neighbors. And please, for booking sponsorship adverts, call the numbers on your screen or send us a mail at praisevictorcomedy@gmail.com. See you next time. Peace out.